Greetings, Mark Brown here. We're going to be looking at how we can actually play a video on this computer here. If you notice, this right here is a video, but you want to play the video, you don't know how to play the video. Just put the cursor on it, you're going to right click. When you right click, notice it's a open, share with Skype and all that. You're going to come down right here, it's a open with. Notice when I put the cursor open with, you notice it's a movie and TV. Notice it's a photo, window media player, search for more. Right, if I come right here and I click on movie, this is how it actually opens, just like that, wide like that, and I can come right up here and close it, go back again and then right click, do the same thing, and if I want to put it on photo, if I click on photo, eventually this is what happens, right? Greeting, this is Mark Brown. You're going to be looking at the types, so definitely click on photo, it actually plays just the same, right? And if we go back again and right click, right, we're going to open with, and this is window media player. Right, so you notice this is where it actually comes just the same. I can actually play it the same. So this is one way you can actually play a video on your computer. Very important here. So I hope you have learned something from this particular video. So remember to share it with your friend.